This is Frontline footage from the Ukrainian region. What you're about to see is something rarely caught on camera. A Ukrainian reconnaissance drone spots movement between two destroyed trenches. At first, they think it's another Russian soldier, maybe still armed, maybe faking death. But then the camera zooms in, and what they see changes everything. The man is alive, wounded, exhausted, lying in the open field. His face is covered in dust and dried blood. He looks straight into the drone's lens and starts waving, pleading not to be killed. You can almost feel that moment, when an enemy becomes just another human trying to survive. Back in the Ukrainian command post, the operators are watching live. Normally, an FPV drone would finish the job, but this time they hesitate. They talk over the radio. He's injured. Maybe we can take him alive. And that's when the decision is made. Instead of explosives, the drone operator, callsign Steiger, decides to drop water. He flies low over the Russian soldier, releases a small plastic bottle, and it lands right next to him. You can see the soldier's hands trembling as he reaches out, opens the bottle, and drinks. It's the first water he's had in days. According to the K2 Battalion, this man had been hiding for nearly a week. No food, no backup, surrounded by bodies after a failed assault. He had no idea if anyone even knew he was still alive. The drone then drops a small note. Written directions, guiding him through no man's land toward the Ukrainian positions. Every few meters, artillery strikes echo in the distance. Dust kicks up around him, but he keeps moving. He walks a few steps, collapses, smokes a cigarette, then pushes himself up again. You can see how weak he is, how desperate, but also how determined. The drone stays with him the entire way, acting almost like a guardian angel in the middle of hell. It's surreal, a machine of war becoming a guide to safety. Finally, after hours of struggle, he reaches the Ukrainian trench line. Soldiers are waiting, weapons raised, cautious. But instead of shots, you hear shouting, "Hands up!" Slowly. "Come here!" The Russian obeys, collapsing to his knees. The same drone that could have ended his life led him straight into captivity instead. The man was captured, treated, and is now a prisoner of war. They released this footage across social media, part of a message not about victory, but humanity.